Hey gang, Drew here, and today is going to be another video on our Factory 5 hot rod truck build series that we've been doing. This is going to be a really quick video and just kind of show you what I've done for my battery installation, and specifically the battery tray that I chose to install on my hot rod. It's a little bit different than what the Factory 5 kit comes with, but I really liked what I'd done here, and I wanted to show it to you. So I did go with, as you can see here, I did go with the Odyssey battery that Factory 5 does suggest, but Odyssey also supplies this hold down tray for their batteries, and it fits in this location that you have to mount your battery perfectly. Now the bottom plate, simply I have it bolted to the frame with two countersink bolts that bolted right to the frame, and then you just assemble the rest of the hardware to keep your battery in place. And again, I love it. I mean, it makes the battery nice and solid. It looks great, and it's a little bit better than the hardware that's supplied in your kit. So I just chose to go this route because I think it's, you know, a much better upgrade than what you would have to do with if you kept with the same parts that the kit come with. So anyway, again, I just saw a worthwhile video to show you. It was really simple to install, and it wasn't really that bad in price. So hope you like it. If you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, we're going to be doing videos like this on our entire build series, and make sure you share with your friends and family. I really appreciate it. All right, gang, remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.